Good morning, everyone. My name is Arjun Dilip, the team leader of this project. Today, I will start by introducing our project titled Sol Biotech Sports String Data Analysis. This is our weekly development progress status report where we will outline the steps taken so far and where we stand. Here we have our table of content. Here we have about the project Sol Biotech expansion into the Canadian sports string market. We have overview, expansion goals, market analysis project. This is our team members and roles. This is our project status. Our current status is on track. We have requirement phase. In this, we have project charter and project proposal plan. This is the design phase. We have data collection, web scraping, and data cleaning. Here we have the data collection from Amazon website through web scraping. Now I will go to the Jupyter notebook. Here we use the libraries such as request, beautiful soap, pandas, and we use soup functions to get title, get price, get rating, review, count, and availability. This is the user agent that I used and the URL I used for extracting the data from Amazon website. Now I created the data frame and save to CSV file. And this is the dataset that I get. Now I hand over to my colleague Aju Jose. Thank you.
Thank you, Arjun. I am Aju. I work as a data analyst on this project. Here are the screenshots of the code that we have used for data cleaning. Here are the data libraries that we have used and the cleaning procedures. And next slide, this is the raw data set and the clean data set. Here we have added 4 more columns to put the clean data. And these are the visuals that we have created from the data set. So the top 10 most common ingredients and top 10 most common specialties are as shown in a bar chart. And here is the rating distribution shown in a histogram. And we have used a scattered plot to show the sales per month versus price per liter, and the most of sales happening on the lower price. And we have done a basic statistics for the sales and the price. And this is the code which shows that we have exported an Excel file showing the top 10 products and their ingredients based on the sales and reviews. And this is the screenshot of the Excel file that we have exported, the top 10 products and their ingredients based on review, and the same top 10 products and ingredients based on the sales per month. So now move to my Jupyter notebook. And this is the Jupyter notebook that we have used for coding. And these are the libraries that I have used. The Matplot library and Seaborn are used for plotting the graph. So at first I have loaded the data set and do the cleaning part. Here I have removed the missing values by not available and unknown numbers. And then I have removed the liter symbol from the price and converted into plot. And the same has been done here to remove the multiple sign. And for the ingredients, we have separated the ingredients by applying the lowercase and separate them by comma. This is the clean data set where we have got 4 new attributes, that is price per liter, rating clean, cleaned ingredients, and clean specialty. So here we got the numerics, and here we got the ingredients and specialty like comma separated. So here we have done the basic statistics for the price per liter and sales per month. And here are the visual charts. So the first visual is a histogram which shows the rating of the products. And the second visual is a scattered plot which shows the sales per month versus price per liter. And the sales is mostly happening on the lower price. And for finding the top 10 most common ingredients, we have used this code to remove the non values and separate the ingredients by commas. And these are the list of top 10 ingredients, and the visual in a bar chart shows the top 10 ingredients. So the same procedure has been taken for finding the top 10 specialties. So we listed the top 10 specialties by removing the unknown and separating by commas. And the same bar chart visuals are used for showing the top 10 specialties. So these are the next steps that we have done to export to a CSV file that the top 10 products and their ingredients based on the sales has been exported to a CSV file, the Excel file, and the same procedure has been done to top 10 products and their ingredients based on the review. It has been exported to an Excel file, and it has been shown over here. These are the exported Excel files. So now my colleague Ashdeep will take over the slides.
Yeah, good morning, Professor. I Ashdeep Singh, Data Analysis. Today I show you how to design the face and data cleaning from Walmart website. Here I attach the screenshot in my presentation from my data. Here is my work, data analysis on Walmart website. Here I show you in the data. Yeah, I load the data set. Then I clean the ingredients, extract prices, which are proceeded to denoted to dollar, and convert rating to numeric causing errors. Place missing value in other columns with the unknown. Here are the all the cleaned up ingredient, clean review count, price, and numeric. Here are the title of the drinks. Then a basic descriptive of statistics count 48 and which is cleaned by dollar like 48.0 unique 40.0 and sorted the rating step. In that step I created the histogram which show the distribution of product ratings. Here is the frequency and here is the ratings. Then I attached the scatter plot graph sale versus which is show the sale versus price analysis. Here it shows the reviews and price per fluid ounce. Yeah, in that in next slides I show the data analysis in which top 10 most common ingredient, top 10 title according to reviews, basic statistics for review and review count. And last slide I defined that I attached the screenshot of title and cleaned ingredients from the data. Yeah, now I shows you. Here are the top 10 most common ingredients and plot the most common ingredients which is shows in the bar graph. Here are the ingredients and here are the counts: citric acid, monopotassium phosphate, and then the top 10 titles according to reviews. The most 10 common title review goes to Power Electrolyte, Power Fruit Punch, Gastro Thirst Quencher, Body Armor Super Drink, cleaned ingredients, water, high fructose corn syrup, and hence I do all the data analysis. And here's my presentation.
Now let's talk about the predictive models. The first predictive model that we have done was the random forest regression model. And here are the screenshots of the codes. I can show you here is the codes for the predictive models. So the targeted variable was the rating, and the features that we choose was the pricing, unit price, and the review counts. And here is the graph between the predicted and actual ratings. So the red line indicates the ideal scenario where the predicted ratings are close to the actual ratings. But you can see in this graph, the most of the predicted ratings are close to the actual rating. So our model is uh, quite good. Now let's talk about the second model, the decision tree. Um, if you look in the first two models, the accuracy level was less than 60%, because when we look the accuracy of random the first model, the accuracy was 55.56. This when this the case of second model, the accuracy is 50%. And here is the structure of the decision tree. Here is a code for the decision tree model, and here we have chosen the targeted variable was the sales per month, and the selected features were uh, the rating, price per liter, and review. And here's the feature importance graph, and this graph indicates that the feature that has significant role in impacting the sales is the price per liter, and review has least review plays a least importance in predicting the sales per month. Since the accuracy level of first two models was less than 60%, we look for the third model, the logistic regression model. I can show you the codes in the Jupyter Notebook. Here is the code for the logistic regression model, and here the targeted variable was this sales category, and the features we chose was review, price per liter, and ratings. So here is the ROC curve graph for the logistic regression model, and here the ROC curve is 0.75, which is more than 0.5. This indicates that our model is above average, better than the random guessing. In addition to the logistic regression model, we have also chosen another model, gradient boosting model, and here the accuracy level, the precision, recall, F1 score, all the matrices are similar to the previous one, the logistic regression model. And here is a feature importance graph from the gradient boosting model. So in this model, this indicates that the price per liter plays a huge role in the predicting the sales per month, and then comes a rating, and the least important factor that affects the sales per month is the review. Now let's talk about the testing phase. Out of the four models, the logistic regression and gradient boosting models have the better matrices compared to the decision tree and random forest model. Here's a graphical representation of the comparison of the model matrices. So this clearly indicates that the logistic regression and the gradient boosting has better matrices. And out of these two, out of logistic and gradient boosting model, we chose gradient boosting model because our variables are quite non-linear in nature. Because the R-squared value of our variables are close to zero. So this clearly indicates that our variables are non-linear in nature. That's why. So for non-linear variables, the gradient boosting model is best predictive model. Now here is a prototype of the dashboard that we have created. Here is a graphical representation of the expected and actual cost in different phases. So the total expected cost was 2,415, and the actual cost is 1,656. And here is the challenges and proposed solution. So during the initial phase, we didn't have any data sets related to this postering industry, either available in online or client doesn't have any data set as well. So we have to do web scraping from the Amazon and Walmart websites in order to collect the data. So we didn't know anything about the web scraping, so we had to learn this skill from online tutorials. So with this, I'm winding up my presentation, and thank you for watching.